Hello everyone. Today I want to speak about our application Smart Security Monitoring. Smart Security Monitoring is a SIM solution that provides the organization with visibility and security intelligence. The Smart Security Monitoring application uses the following frameworks, that is Incident Management Frameworks and Asset and Identity Framework, Threat Intelligence Framework, MITRE-ATT&CK Framework, and Risk-Based Analytics Framework. We do also have real-time monitoring in Smart Security Monitoring, and also we are maintaining a 250 plus rules use case library. And for investigation, we do have supporting investigation dashboards in this application. Yes, it also includes pre-packaged dashboards, correlation rules, and instant response workflows to help SOC analysts to analyze, investigate, and respond to alerts. Now, let me give a quick walkthrough of how to navigate through the application. Yes, so we do have an overview of our application, and also we do have the functionalities of how the features like threat intel and RBA works. Yes, the first thing in our application will be the security posture view. Yes, the security posture view is a single pane of glass summary view of threat activities and incidents created in the last 24 hours, which enables the SOC team to monitor threats and correlate events in real time to find and to stop the threats. So here we have risk-based alert threats and also our traditional SSM alert threats, and also we do have the threats from the threat intel. Yes. So next we do have our instant posture. So which the SOC analyst they are going to spend their most of the time in this instant posture dashboard. So this is how our instant posture dashboard looks like. Instant posture dashboards helps in incident management, an organized way to address and manage potential threat incidents. It also helps the SOC analyst teams to analyze, investigate, and respond to alert. So when our when the rules match and when the alerts are triggered, we do get the incidents. So those incidents are collected in this alert manager. So you can see that there are various alerts which has been created as incidents are being generated over here. So from here, the admins can assign this to SOC analyst or admin can assign to himself. And also there are facilities to filter and check the incidents. So for a particular instance, if you want to deep dive in it, so you can just click on this drop down and you will be getting all the details of that particular incident. And from here, it also will direct you to the respective dashboards where you can do the further investigation. And also you will be getting the history. So by this, you will be knowing that whether it is a duplicate alert, whether it has been appended, or whether it's a new alert. So the history of that alert also you can be getting, you can get the knowledge of that also from this investigation instant poster dashboard. Yes. And thirdly, we have MITRE-ATT&CK framework. So in MITRE-ATT&CK framework, so we do have MITRE-ATT&CK matrix. So I'll just show you what MITRE-ATT&CK matrix is. So our solution includes MITRE-ATT&CK framework, which monitors threat based on MITRE-ATT&CK and techniques. MITRE-ATT&CK is a security framework, which is a matrix of tactics and techniques used by the threat hunters, which provides the kill chain view of the attacker's journey. So if you could see the initial access, execution, persistence, privilege escalation, and finally till impact. So from the beginning to the end of the attacker's journey, you can get a view of it. So what what all techniques and tactics the threat hunter has been used, so you can get an idea of it. And also, by clicking on it, you can enter into the instant posture to see which alerts have been triggered. Yes. And now we are moving to the next one. After my attack framework, we do have a security monitoring dashboards. So I'll just give a brief about these dashboards. Yes. So if you see, we do have a supporting dashboards for investigation like authentication, malware, and intrusion detection, firewalls, and network traffic. Also, we do have a dashboard for threat activity. So we do have a threat activity overview dashboard. So this platform has subscription of 30 plus community and open source thread intel feeds. So with IOC matching included. It helps the SOC team to recognize abnormal activities, assess the risk to the business, and prioritize the response. And we do have investigation dashboards where, so once the SOC analyst get the incident details, so he can come directly to the investigation dashboard, and from here he can do user investigation and internal and external investigation, and also he can do risk investigation. Yes. And if we see this risk in investigation, please ignore the sound outside. Some construction work going on. Yes. So this is called as risk-based analytics framework. So this is framed upon the risk-based analytics. So I'll tell what is risk-based analytics. It is unlike this sim. So it consolidates the view of alerts from an asset or user with allotted overall risk scores, which saves a lot of time to analysts and ensure that none of the significant alerts are ignored. And it also provides the ability to identify action that raise the risk profile of individual or assets. This framework also accumulates the risk to allow the identification of people or devices that perform an unusual amount of risky activities. So, for example, if an alert from a same asset or from same external IP. So we do get a high alert, we do get a low alert, we do get a medium alert from the same host, but we SOC analyst may give the priority to the high complexity alerts and maybe some low and significant alerts which are low complexity but they are significant that may be missed by chance. So risk-based analytics view actually consolidates all the alerts from a particular asset and gives a score to it, and by that we will be getting to know that this particular alert has exceeded the threshold of the risk-based analytics score. This is a very interesting and important feature so that the false positives will be reduced. And okay, just I will I will explain about what the search configure and health check. So search in this search option, all our reports, alerts, and our dashboards are being saved in this search option. And in our configure option, you can see lookups where you can add and delete the assets. So the asset management is very easy. And so whenever you want to add anything or whenever you want to delete some assets, it's very easy and we can do it from here. And finally, we do have a data model audit, and also we have resource usage statistics. Yes. So by this, we can actually get to know about the statistics of the usages by the resources. Yes. So by here, I want to conclude this session and thank you everyone. And I hope this will be very useful for everyone.